And on Daisy, I decided to use the reroot tool instead of needle and knot because she has a very, very small head and the neck hole is tiny. So it's easier just to go from outside and in. And therefore I will use glue inside her head. When I'm done, and that's what's happening here, pressing out a big chunk of glue into that small hole, and then I take the back of a paintbrush and just trying to get it all over all those ends inside the head, so I'm sure that won't fall off when brushed and washed later. Here I'm just evening out the hair. It's very shiny. I'm keeping the hair long because I think it looks really nice on her, and also in the future, me, or if she will get another owner someday, can decide what to do. Right now it felt right just to keep it like this. Will be a nice parting. I'll do it like almost like a braiding. A small, okay, you can look what I dividing one at a time and look what way it looks best and makes the most coverage. It's time for the boil perm. I'm pouring boiled water first and cold water after that. I check out if there is something I need to adjust, combing it through this time. I don't always do it exactly like this. Many times I have had a little cap or something on and then I don't do any corrections. I did this boil perm twice. She's a bit grubby, nothing extreme, so I'm just wiping her off with hot water as well. I didn't have any Daisy clothes at hand right now. I haven't found so many Daisy clothes. They are vintage, so I tried some Bratz clothes first, but that they were actually too small at the waist. I was lucky enough to have this little, I think it's a skipper dress. That was perfect. And some Barbie boots. The letter B underneath, so I guess it's Barbie, might be skipper as well. here she is, the final result. Nice before, glowing now. I hope you enjoyed this little reroot makeover.